Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS has strange lines across the screen, it can be quite concerning. This issue often arises due to a faulty display or a loose connection. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making your device unusable. So, let's get started on the repair. For this task, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement screen specifically for the Dell XPS. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover using the plastic opening tool. Gently insert it into the seam and work your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the display connector. This is usually found near the top of the device. You may need to remove a few screws to access it. Be cautious when handling the screws, they can be quite small, so keep them in a safe place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently disconnect the display cable using your tweezers. Take your time to avoid pulling on any other cables nearby. With the cable disconnected, you can now remove the faulty screen. This may involve unscrewing additional screws that hold the screen in place. Once the old screen is out, take your new replacement screen and carefully position it in place. Reconnect the display cable, ensuring it is secure. Then, replace any screws you removed earlier to hold the screen firmly. After that, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your Dell XPS to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the screen. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your device is kept in a safe environment, away from excessive heat or pressure. Regularly check for any loose connections if you notice any display issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.